Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on 5G on this phone. Simply go to settings. Now tap on the option mobile service. First of all we need to enable the mobile data. Now you can see the mobile data is already enabled on this device. Now here you can see mobile data options. Tap on this one. Now here you can see the option voice and data. Tap on this one. Now you can see 5G auto, 5G on and 4G. So here you can see 5G auto uses 5G only when needed for performance while optimizing battery life. 5G on uses the 5G whenever it is available, even when it may reduce the battery life or performance. So according to your choice, we can select the 5G auto or 5G on. Here I am going to select the 5G auto. So simply in this way, we can turn on 5G on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.